Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the USB 3.0 to 10, 100 and 1000 megabyte per second gigabit Ethernet network adapter. This adapter I bought it specifically for the Nintendo Switch. So this is so you can connect your Switch directly to with an Ethernet cable, so you can get faster internet, like for the downloads and stuff. So now let's unbox this. Okay, so this is the adapter itself. This is from the company UGreen. You can see there it says UGreen. This is where you plug your Ethernet cable, and then you plug this, the other end, the USB part, on the dock of the Nintendo Switch. So I'm going to be showing you where you can plug it. And here also we have the drivers if you would like to use it on a computer, and then we also have the manual. That's everything that comes in the box. So now I'm going to be showing you how to connect it on your Nintendo Switch dock. So you need to get your dock for the Nintendo Switch. Now go to the back part and open this, and you're going to plug it in there where you see the blue USB port. So as you can see, that's where you plug it in, and if you want, you can just plug it inside, so you don't have no cables going, so you don't have messy cables, or you can just put it through this and have it outside hanging, and then you plug in your Ethernet cable there, and that's how you're gonna get Ethernet connection on your Nintendo Switch. So this is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please click the like button. You can also subscribe to my channel so you can get more content. If you have any question, please leave it down below. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.